This time we're supposed to convert square meters to square feet. Again, we're supposed to use this conversion factor. Rewrite the problem. 5.22 square meters we have to convert to the square feet. Multiply, and in order to eliminate square meter, you're supposed to make sure that you are going to have square meter in the denominator. So this is equal 0.0929 square meter, and this is equal to 1 square foot. Meter square and meter square will cancel out. Keep in mind that you can convert this to the improper fraction and multiply these two fractions. I have 5.22 square foot over 0.0929. This is equal, use the calculator, 56.189 square feet. This is the solution to this problem.